After a lot of speculations and rumors, Samsung finally unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 5 at its summer Unpacked event. While it doesn't bring significant improvements over the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but if you're in the market for a new foldable, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is one of the best devices out there. Now you might be wondering, how does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 stack up against the recently unveiled Google Pixel Fold? Here we will provide you with an in-depth comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold by closely examining their designs, specifications, and features to help you decide which device suits you best. Starting with the design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Pixel Fold, both foldables have a similar form factor. They look like traditional smartphones that unfold into tablets. However, Pixel Fold's cover screen is noticeably wider, giving it a more appealing look. Both devices are sleek and slim and light. It is also worth noting that both phones close seamlessly without any gaps. In terms of build materials, both phones are made out of premium materials and provide a top-notch feel in hand. The Z Fold 5, however, uses the newer Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while Pixel Fold relies on the previous generation Gorilla Glass Victus. It is worth noting, though, that both phones feature a tough aluminum frame and an IPX8 water resistance rating. Moving on to the most fascinating aspect of the foldables, the displays. The Google Pixel Fold comes with a slightly small 5.8-inch OLED cover display with support for a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. On the other hand, the Fold 5 offers a slightly larger 6.2-inch AMOLED screen, also with a 120Hz refresh rate. The key difference here is that the Pixel Fold's cover screen is much wider, providing a more traditional and a better overall display experience. Upon unfolding both phones, you'll find a 7.6-inch AMOLED display capable of HDR10+ playback and supporting a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The Pixel Fold's wider cover screen results in a more rectangular panel when opened compared to Samsung's more square-like design. One of the key differences between the displays of the Fold 5 and the Pixel Fold is that the Samsung Foldable supports stylus input. If you value productivity, the Fold 5 is undoubtedly a better choice, even though you'll need to buy an S Pen separately. Many cases are available to make carrying it easier. In contrast, the Pixel Fold lacks support for stylus input entirely. Another noticeable difference is that the Pixel Fold has slightly thicker bezels surrounding the inner display. These bezels house the phone's selfie camera and parts of the hinge. On the other hand, the Fold 5's inner display boasts very slim bezels, but it features a 4-megapixel under-display camera. When it comes to power, the Fold 5 is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 12 GB of RAM, and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. On the other hand, the Pixel Fold relies on Google's custom Tensor G2 chipset, the same one used in the Pixel 7 series, along with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is one of the top-performing chipsets available, giving the Z Fold 5 an edge in performance. It offers unmatched power and efficiency compared to the Pixel Fold's Tensor 2. While Tensor 2 is good enough for daily use, it falls short in delivering graphics-intensive games, multitasking, and other demanding tasks when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Both foldables run on Android 13 out of the box, but the Pixel Fold will be among the first devices to receive fast Android updates. On the other hand, Samsung offers DeX mode on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, transforming the foldable into a full-fledged computing machine. Moving on to the cameras, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 maintains the same rear triple camera setup as its predecessor. This includes a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS and dual-pixel autofocus, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto, offering 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. For selfies, the cover screen features a 10-megapixel sensor, while the inner foldable display uses an under-display 4-megapixel camera. On the other hand, the Pixel Fold features a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto shooter with 5x optical zoom capabilities. Selfies on the Pixel Fold are handled by a 9.5-megapixel camera on the cover display and an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the top bezel of the inner display. Samsung claims it benefits from improved ASP and software optimizations, leading to better night photography and low-light performance. On the other hand, the Pixel Fold offers the best camera experience on a foldable smartphone hands down. Like other Pixel smartphones, its camera capabilities are outstanding, making it the ideal choice for those seeking an exceptional camera experience. Now let's talk about the batteries. The Pixel Fold comes with a big 4821 mAh battery that supports 30-watt USB-C fast charging and wireless charging. However, despite its size, some users have criticized the Pixel Fold for not delivering a full-day battery life under medium to heavy usage. On the other hand, the Z Fold 5 has a smaller 4400 mAh battery, which is the same as the Z Fold 4. However, thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, we can expect improved battery life compared to the previous generation. The Z Fold 5 supports 25-watt USB-C charging and wireless charging as well. If productivity is your top priority, the Z Fold 5 is the ideal foldable for you. It offers stylus input and a range of software features to enhance your work on the foldable screen. With one of the best chipsets on the market and great displays, it's a compelling choice, especially with the current deals available. On the other hand, if you prefer the stock Google Android experience and excellent cameras, the Pixel Fold is the one to go for. It's lightweight and slim, making it easy to carry every day, and comes with many built-in AI/ML functions to improve your daily usage. Additionally, its cover screen resembles that of a traditional smartphone, adding to its appeal. So guys, what do you think about these two devices? Let us know your thoughts in comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.